beads, multi-shaded seed beads 11. We are using soft polyester thread for this project, so we have to pass through 6 seed beads, and then we will tie double knot here. We will make double knot here to secure it. Now we pass through 1 multi-shaded seed bead 11, and then we add 1 white seed bead 15, passing through 11. Now we added again seed bead 15. We have to add 6 beads one by one. After adding white seed beads, we have started our second round. Next step, we are adding mini bugle bead style seed beads, black seed beads with golden seed bead 8. We have to pass through white seed bead 15. We will add these black mini bugle beads, small bugle beads style seed beads with golden seed bead 8, 3 black seed bead plus 1 golden 8, and plus 3 seed bead, black seed bead. Each time we have to add in this way 6 times, passing through white seed bead 15. We will add these mini bugle style beads with golden seed bead 8. We have to add these beads, passing through white seed bead 15. 6 times we will add in this way. And now we will start next round. Next step, here we will add 2 teardrop shape multi-shaded beads with 1 golden seed bead 8. We will pass through black bugle bead, and we will add these beads. Now our thread is coming out black seed bead. In this point, on this point, we will add one more time 1 tear bead multi-shaded plus 1 golden 8 plus 1 multi-shaded teardrop shape bead, and now we are passing through. We added passing through black seed beads, bugle bead shape beads, mini bugle beads. In this way, total 6 times we will add these multi-shaded teardrop shaped beads with golden beads, seed beads 8. We have to add 6 times these beads. In the same way, passing through mini bugle beads, black beads. We are using soft thread. Now next step, we are starting from here. We have to add one golden seed bead etto between two teardrop beads, passing through teardrop shape beads, golden seed bead etto, and then again we will pass through teardrop bead, and now we add here one seed bead etto. In this way we have to add 6 golden seed bead ettos between these teardrop beads. 6 times we have to add it. After adding these beads, we have added 3 seed beads golden etto, passing through one golden seed bead etto. Then we have to add multi-shaded seed bead 11 between golden seed bead etto. We are adding, we have to add 4 seed bead multi-shaded seed beads 11 here. Passing through golden seed beads etto, we are adding these multi-shaded seed beads 11. This is a small beaded part. Here we will attach our earring wire. So now we will proceed to attach here earring wire, passing through these seed beads. We pass through this seed bead, we added here. Now we are adding earring wire, golden earring wire with 2 golden seed bead etto. We have to attach it. We will add this golden earring wire with 2 seed bead etto, passing through seed bead 11. We will pass our thread 2 times here to secure it. After passing through seed beads, we will make some knots here, passing from different beads randomly. We will pass randomly from different beads, and after pulling the thread we have to make some knots, finishing knots we are making here. Finishing knots to make secure. After making knots, we will trim the extra thread. Now it's ready. This is our today's project. Very elegant beaded earrings. Multi-shaded beads are looking very cute. Sparkling, shining, sparkling, sterling. these earrings are looking cute. Good. I will always try to bring good combination of colors, and I have tried in this project. So don't forget to subscribe my channel EasySaminJewelery. Please subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, my channel. I need your subscriptions. I hope you guys like today's project. I will say bye now. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and bye bye.